Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a stunning vector artifact in Photoshop within just 2 minutes, and the best part, you can get this as action on my pattern. Now let's get started. First, duplicate your layer twice by pressing Command and Z or Ctrl and Z, then convert both copies into smart objects. Hide the top layer and select the layer 1. Then go to Image, Adjustment, Shadows and Highlights and set shadows to around 20%. Next, go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur and set radius to 15 and threshold to 5. Then go to Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask and set amount to 50% and radius to 3 pixels. Again go to Filter, Blur, Smart Blur, set radius to 50, threshold to 20, quality to high and mode to normal. Finally go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Poster Edges and set Edge Thickness 3, Edge Intensity 2 and Posterization 5. For a finishing task, go to Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint and set all the values to 5. Now active and select the top layer copy. Then go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur and set radius to 20 and threshold to 10. Then go to Filter, Filter Gallery and select Cutout and set number of levels 7, Edge Simplicity 1 and Edge Fidelity 1. And now change the blend mode to overlay and decrease the opacity to around 50%. And that's it. Here is the before and after. For additional effects, add a black and white adjustment layer. And also you can create a levels adjustment layer to fine-tune brightness and contrast. So that's it. If you enjoy this tutorial, hit like, drop your comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.